I'm trying this for the very first time, and I hope you like it.
What you just saw was an AI-generated avatar. Let me show you how. It is as simple as hopping onto Canva and browsing through your apps for Heygen. Open the application and make sure that this Heygen application is associated with an account that you have created. You can also create this within the Canva application as well. Once you're done with signing up, you will get 1 credit, which allows you to create a maximum of 1-minute video, which is not a bad deal for something that's free. Anyways, once you're in the application in Canva, you will have the option to choose from a library of avatars on the top. There are so many avatars to choose from. There's additionally the option also to upload an image or use existing images that are already in Heygen. This is actually something similar to what I created using Studio DID, which I will link up here for you to see. Once you have chosen your avatar, you can then start writing down your script for what the avatar is going to present. Then select the voice, the tone, and also the accent or the languages. I was surprised to see that there's so many languages, especially Sinhala, Tamil, and even Arabic. Once you've selected everything, just hit on generate your avatar and then start using it in your design in the way you wish to. It is so simple, but like I mentioned earlier, it only allows you to create a 1-minute video maximum for free. So if you want to create more videos like this, then it's going to cost you starting with a $50 per month plan. This would really come in handy for, redundant jobs that you will have to do repeatedly, or, do orientations, presentations, inductions. You can get rid of all these jobs by creating these avatars. But the catch to this is that you can actually create an avatar of your very own self by following a bunch of guidelines that they have shared on their site. And what I really like about this Heygen is it is so expressive in comparison to other avatar generators. It even has the hand movements and even the facial expressions. It looks so realistic and with 4K quality. Anyways, have fun messing around with this. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.